365-day pujas and ultimate power time invocations to transform 14 vital areas of your life. For protection, victory, swift results, wealth, prosperity, and sin dissolution. Receive year-long divine support, empowering 14 key areas of your life. With 16 super grand 5 feet statue installations made from their sacred and favorite offerings. Our 365-day pujas and ultimate power time invocation program invokes 35 archetypes through 2889 daily Vedic rituals, including 16 statue installations and archetype invocations during power times. These can uplift 14 key areas: wealth, growth, health, harmony, relationships, protection, spirituality, wish fulfillment, obstacle removal, debt clearance, karma cleansing, planetary affliction relief, life transformation, progress. This program can remove bad karma and bestow protection, success, and fulfillment during 2025 and beyond. 16 grand 5 feet statue installations and 19 archetypes invocations. Month 1. Suffering negating, unique Durva Grass, Ganesha statue installation on Sankathara Chaturthi. Month 2. Miracle boon bestowing, Neem Angali statue installation by Siddhav on Ashtami. Month 3. Karma absorbing, Muruga's lemon whale statue installation on Sasti. Month 4. Prosperity enhancing, Swarna Akarshana Bhairava statue installation with gold coins on Ashtami. Month 5. Sin dissolving, Tulsi Vishnu statue installation on Ekadashi. Month 6. Swift acting and abundance bestowing, Sweet potato Varahi statue installation on Panchami. Month 7. Ancestral curse clearing, Naga invocation on Navami. Month 8. Karma destroying, Bilva leaves Shiva statue installation on Trayodshi. Month 9. Abundance multiplying, turmeric Ashtalakshmi statues installation on Purnima. Month 10. Destiny changing, Navagraha invocation on Saptami. Month 11. Protection bestowing, Ashta Dikpalka invocation on Dashmi. Month 12. Wealth manifesting, gold coin Kubera statue installation on Tritiya. Program highlights: 16 grand 5 feet statue installations and invocations of 35 archetypes. These are performed on auspicious power times. Sacred materials used here can bring unparalleled spiritual, material, and emotional benefits. 24 grand Root Mantra Fire Labs. 2 fire labs each month invoke the month's archetype by chanting their Mool mantras for transformation, protection, healing, success, peace, and fulfillment. 930 Power Spot Pujas receive 365 days Power Spot Pujas blessings of powerful archetypes. These can bring growth, protection, and positive transformation. 1906 Special Pujas for Archetypes. Daily special puja and hydration ceremony to a deity's unique aspect can unlock opportunities and enhance critical aspects of life. 13 sacred hymns chanting, invoking the archetypes with their Bij mantras and Ashtodhara can unlock their powers, cleanse karma, and help achieve potential. 3 individual manifestation service. This special feature helps you submit your prayers, which will be read during the pujas for quick manifestation of your desires. Combined blessings. 1. Angali grants wishes, prosperity, and welfare. 2. Ganesha gives wisdom and success. 3. Muruga fosters courage and victory. 4. Swarna Akarshana Bhairava attracts gold and fortune. 5. Vishnu removes bad money karma and grants affluence. 6. Varahi helps legal triumph and recognition. 7. Snake gods, removes ancestral and snake curses. 8. Shiva, clears karma and boosts planetary blessings. 9. Ashtalakshmi, attracts 8 wealth types and luck. 10. Navagraha, resolves planetary afflictions and brings affluence and longevity. 11. Ashtadikpalakas, removes Vastu defects and grants well-being. 12. Kubera, grants material gains, power and prestige.